Welcome! In front of me is a Xiaomi Poco M4, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on your phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once your content is prepped, meaning visible on your screen, simply press and hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash along with the pop-up and scroll and send options, and after a moment this will disappear. Once it disappears, you can find that captured screenshot in your Photos application, which is located in the Google folder. And you can see it right at the front right here. Now, unfortunately, Xiaomi saves the screenshots and apparently screen recordings in the camera application, so if you're going to be looking for those down the line, you might just need to fiddle through massive amounts of just screenshots, screen recordings, photos, videos that you've captured with the device, because they will all be mixed up together. So just wanted to point that out. But in any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.